Sausage! Bloody hell! Okie dokie? No, that's fine. I mean, there's a sausage there. Zigzag, yellow zigzags on the school runs. Strictly prohibited to park there. There they are. What an absolute ignorant sausage. There's another sausage right in the yellow box. Could have just reversed back your sausage and let us through. You're not even supposed to stop on the yellow box. What an absolute sausage. I always do it. See you, mate. Bloody hell. More sausages running the red light. That's a sausage and a little sausage because he's got a trailer. A sausage and a half. Bloody hell's bells. Aye, that backfired on you, didn't it, you numpty? What a sausage, yeah.
Sausage? That was well restrained.
They've been there for 5 months and there's no change. Come on, man. Cross the road when you're on green, man, you sausage. There we go. Another sausage on a bike, not one light anywhere. Feet is into the middle of the road. Totally not bothered. Sausage on a cycle.